Hello, everybody. This is Sanchana, and I'm a recent graduate from Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering in Biotechnology Engineering. So, I attended the workshop titled Drug Discovery offered by BDG Life Sciences. It was basically a 5-day online workshop, and there were a lot of advantages and there were a lot of plus points that I noticed throughout the workshop. One was how detailed and how precise it was. Everything was so clearly planned out. Each day, this task should be done, and we were also sent a prior email listing the task and like listing the steps and the procedure of how the task should be completed. So every day we were given a task, we had to complete the task to proceed. I thought this was a very good initiative considering how it kept your interest throughout the different days of the workshop. Also, I like how detailed and prepared they were while sending the software links for downloading, and also instructions on how to download the software. We were also asked to download certain tutorials for all the topics that were covered throughout the workshop. It was very informative, very well compiled, and also I am very thankful that I got to work practically on some softwares that I had only read about, such as ChemSketch and OpenBabel. So this was not the first workshop that I attended using BDG Life Sciences, and it definitely will not be the last either. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Riya. I attended the CRISPR workshop conducted by BDG Life Sciences. It was incredible. The teacher was very friendly. She answered all our doubts and I learned a lot. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Das. First of all, I'd like to thank BDG Life Sciences for organizing this wonderful multi-dimensional course known as Cancer Omics. And I'd like to thank our course instructor Nilofer ma'am for really wonderful presentation and her enormous effort to make me understand each and every details and each and every topic in details. And although I am really thankful to this VDG Life Sciences to make me understand the cancer omics. And I'm really very new at this field platform, but after covering all those topics in genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and transcriptomics, and each and every database. And now I think I have understood each and everything in basics, and I have gained the confidence to work the basic jobs and basic works regarding this field. And I am really very glad that I had enrolled for this program, and I am looking forward to attend many more courses, workshops, and a lot of the things with BDG Life Sciences. I'm really very thankful to BDG Life Sciences.
Hello, this is Nidhi from Mumbai. I have completed Masters in Life Sciences in Biochemistry from University of Mumbai. So recently I had attended this session conducted by BDG Life Sciences on cancer omics. So overall the session was quite great. Nilofer Sheikh, the speaker, was really great and helpful. So she kind of helped in every possible way she could. And yeah, otherwise it was really great. And looking forward to attend this session, many more sessions conducted by BDG Life Sciences. So thank you for having me. Hello friends, I am Shivani Singh and I am from Meerut. I am pursuing BTech Biotech from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agriculture and Technology, Meerut. I am currently in final year. So last week I had taken up the bioinformatics workshop from BDG Life Science for 7 days, where we cover the basic part of bioinformatics to analyze the molecular and genomic data by different sources like NCBI, UniProt, and PDB. And also we get to know about the different tools like SPDB, RASMOL, ClustalW, ProtScale, Interpro, and etc. and how we use like ClustalW, which are used in multiple sequence alignment, SPDBV, which are used in superimposition of different proteins,
and RASMOL, which are used in visualization of protein, nucleic acid, and small molecule, and also FIRE2 investigator, which are used in mutation analysis. So this workshop was fantastic, and this workshop exceeded my expectation. I was really happy that even with some experience, and I learned a lot of things from this workshop. So my teacher was Sharvari Kulkarni ma'am. She was really helpful for me, and I has understood the theoretical part, and I enjoy the practical part as well. And so I really enjoy the course, and I will definitely taking more different courses of BDG Life Science in future. And I hope BDG Life Science always provide these kind of workshop for giving best way in field of bioinformatics and shaping the future. Thank you.
Hi, myself Lisina, doctorate holder in the field of bioinformatics. I have attended the workshop on CRISPR. It was very useful and the content was excellent. The trainer was clearing everyone's doubts before moving on to the next step. Thank you to the entire team of BDG Life Sciences for conducting such a useful workshop. Thanks everyone.
Hello friends, I'm Abhishek Tomar and I'm currently in the 4th year of the Biotech Biotechnology. I had attended the hands-on technical workshop in bioinformatics conducted by the BDG Life Sciences. Our instructor was Sharvari ma'am, and she helped us in learning and performing the various bioinformatic tools which I haven't learned, or you can say I haven't chance to perform them practically during my course curriculum in my college. But learning with BDG Life Sciences makes me confident enough to perform these basics of the bioinformatics with my own. And in the last, I want to say thanks to the BDG Life Science once again, and thank you.